What's he say? Hello guys! Today mag-unboxing tayo sa binili ni Daddy para kay Mother na karaoke machine. Hindi na siya maliit. Malaki na. Give me that! Mag-unboxing tayo guys. Let's see. This is unboxing and review. Very nice ba yung microphone niya? Kasi may dalawang microphone na wireless. Let's start unboxing guys. Ay, lagi siguro pinopen. Amazon pa namin nabili sa Amazon.
Daddy bought it for you.
Yes.
And I bought Daddy bought candy machine for me.
Yeah. Pwede na daw mabuhat si mga doon. Pero siya guys, oh. Kasi unboxing nga ko, natin yung mga kamukha. Lang cutters naman. Yan siya guys, oh. Meron siyang double kasi na box. Na Amazon box. Yan. Ito ay i9 GYX guys. GYX portable speaker. i19 daw. T9 di ay. i9. T9. Na-remember ko kasi yung i9 Sport dito. Na napag-usapan naman yung sis inlook ko. T9 pala. GYX T9. i9. Bilangkat na ni Mother. Bilangkatin siya. So ito na yung ano niya guys. Yan yung naka-LED screen. Kasi makita niyo yan. Oh. Yan. Tan-tan-dan-dan. Open natin. Uy, tiin mo. Tiin mo dong.
I'm dying. I'm dying.
Malaki guys, dito siya kataas. Yeah. Yan. Yan sa ulo ko kasi yan siya guys. Ito yung pang-kabit, pang-charger, pang-kabit natin sa ito parang review to, pang-review. User manual. Yan na yung mga cord. Yan. Remote. Yung microphone. Nandito yung microphone. Dalawa tong wireless microphone. Yan siya. Diyan, tsaka dyan. Yan siya. Itestin natin ito mamaya. So, yan yung first, ano natin. Uy. First layer. Tignan muna natin to. So, yan na yung speaker natin.
Tita, I need a dead body. Tita, I need a dead body.
Uy. Para itong maliit ako ito. Ang laki niya. Yan. Tapos meron siya mga
That's something I have.
Yeah. And that's it. This is only one.
I need a dead body. Tita, I need a dead body. So, Tita, I need a dead body.
Tadadan! Yan.
Daddy, pop it.
Ika, Matias.
Oh, I don't know inside.
Yan, ganyan siya kalaki.
Mommy,
Yan.
can that...
Parang mali pa. Oh, meron pa siyang handle. Uy, bakit ano? Oh, look at guys. Oh, parang malita. Malita na karaoke machine. Yay! Thank you, Annie, today. Yep. Ang malaki. Try na natin. Look at oh. I-roll lab, roll. So, yan na yan, oh. Oh, nag-school pa si Matias, nag-school. So, yan siya kalaki, guys. Yan. Sin. So, ito si Daddy. So, ito yung microphone niya, guys. Oh. Yan. Ganda. Uy. Oh. Yung microphone natin. Dalawa, wireless. So, yan ni Daddy.
Okay, Mom.
So, ito yung guys, double A. Double A ang ilagay mo sa ano niya. Sa remote. Ay, remote sa ano, sa ating microphone. Easy lang siya guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Wala. So, on and off. Oh, Gora bells na. So, ito okay na siya. Ay, nice na siya. Love OUH F160. Mayroon na siyang ano. Bongga. Kita mo yung isa tapos na. Ay! Nanuhubak yung nag-ano. Look! It do connect directly to the one lab. And then you can put iPad also in the top of the thing. Daddy connect directly to the... Look! Ding 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 ding. Let's sing to siya, Daddy! Ready na ni? Hello! Daddy love! I like the echo love! Sunshine! You make me happy! Inside I live! You never know, dear, how much I love you. Look, like that one equal love. This one. Yep.
That's for the music, though.
The microphone.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You are my heaven, and I date. You never know, dear, how much I love butterfly.
You sing butterfly?
Bing, bing,
Bing, bing on the bicycle.
Do you want to
So
sing You're
test-
My Sunshine?
No, I want to
So far guys, it's very good. The microphone is really echo and loud. It's very nice.
butter.
Kung narinig nyo si Ezekiel nagkanta ng You Are My Sunshine. So ano na to siya. So pwede ka rin maglagay dito guys. Oh, sa ano, naka-advertise sa Amazon ganito. Ilagay mo yung iPad mo dyan pag hindi naman sa TV. Kung maglagay-lagay ay kung dadalhin nyo siya kahit saan. Dyan mo lagay yung iPad.
To get the toughest smells out of clothes.
Let me see.
Try
So this is the
This
volume.
one is you guys singing.
easy.
So daddy is one. Hala. Ta-ding, ding, ding.
Can you sing?
On the bus, he go.
Choo-choo train. Where we go. Nice ang iyang echo. So far, very good. Ho, 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 ho.
You got a friend to me.
Hello?
You got a friend to me.
Ezekiel, you sing!
Hi.
So, ganyan kaloud ang echo niya, guys.
You got a friend to me.
How about you? Wala. I put no lyrics. Ganyan siya kaloud, guys. Nice ang iyang echo. Very nice. Mga partner ni mama mag-karaoke.
You got a friend to me.
So just remember, women. Cause you got a friend in me. Hoy, alien naman nun. Lalang kaloud ang echo. Hoy, alien naman nun.
No, it's You've Got a Friend in Me.
Nahisin man nun, Ande.
The bad guys turned their millions.
Hoy, mermaid na, mermaid.
Nice one.
Oh, Paulsen.
He's a cowboy now. Big man.
No, yeah, you
Cowboy man nun. Kasi daddy nag-teach.
You've got a friend.
You've got
I've got him too.
got a friend in me.
Boy,
Now the old
years
So lahi na ni og kabalo na isang street na sila magbasa. Magkumbaan na namin karaoke. Karon magutal-utal pa kay di pa man kayo street good magbasa.
we float and then we float.
Look at Ezekiel, very serious oh. Hello, time check. So far guys, it's very good. Ang echo niya lagubo. Manang. Yan. Karaoke ta guys. Ayoy matanda na. Oy, ang ato na lang tingog mo'y Purya Gabs. Bait ang tingog. Kailanman, nasaan may ito bang pangarap ko? Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hakan at yakapin. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ay ibigin mo. Sorry guys, voice very ugly. Promote ang karaoke nga, very nice ang iko. Ay, dating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo. Oy, hubak. Na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo.
I gotta go mow the lawn.
Mo daw sa dalon. Ang bigat la, nagkatakanta ra. So, review for this product guys is very good. GYX T9 baka naman. Not sponsored, not sponsored. I'm just doing
No,
a
that's
review.
just, I don't know what that is. Like a pause?
But it's sponsored.
Yeah,
but
it's like a pause.
it's sponsored by my husband.
Oh.
Yep, very good. Nice. Nice karaoke machine. Thank you, love. See David?
Yep.
I love it, Mia. Very good, guys.
You're missing your song.
Na, laging sa'yo maputi na ang buhok ko kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. So that's our review for this karaoke machine guys. It's very good. Okay yung echo niya at easy to set up. Yan, na set up agad ni Daddy direct to the TV. Tapos kung mag-outdoor naman kayo, mayroon kayong iPad or cellphone, ilagay nyo lang doon sa karaoke, mayroong lagayan. Tapos yan, pwede na kayong mag-singing outside, indoor and outdoor. So, yan. Pag karaoke sa ako, I will karaoke. Filipinos love karaoke, so that's why Daddy give me this karaoke machine. I have karaoke, the small one, the singing machine. The Bluetooth is not working anymore. So, you buy this one. GYX-T9.
Upside down. You take it seriously ba? Wala. Guys, because this is yoga. Ah! Wala. Take it seriously na yung karaoke ba? March like a dinosaur, stomp, stomp. Let's sing. March across the floor. It's so fun 'cause we're the dinosaurs. Good job, Ezekiel. Oh. Hello. Take it serious na niya. Good night, Ezekiel. We're gonna teach you how to roar like a baby dinosaur. Are you ready? Breathe in. Good job, Ezekiel.
I'm so tired. I felt
Connect
like it took
namin
more
dito
effort than
sa
fighting
aming TV.
monsters.
Thanks to all your help, it got done faster than if I did it myself.
Tapos ito yung sa likod niya guys. Oh. Yan. Tapos yan, may wheels. So pag dalhin nyo na ito sa labas. So i-off ko muna yung ano. So ito yung sa likod, paulit-ulit. Tapos mayroon na siyang wheels guys. Kung gusto nyo dalhin kahit saan. So ayan na siya. Easy to carry. Magbutangan na sticker. Butangan na sticker sa kumbugoy. Easy to carry siya guys. Kaya naan naman siya ay ligid. Yan o. Hali lang siya o. Easy to carry. So yan siya. Yung kanina guys, pagkanta natin, hindi pa masyadong eco. So yan lang siya. Eco plus kung gusto nyo ma-eco talaga siya. Eco minus mag-record ka, tapos mic 1 o mic 2. Tapos maglagay ka ng output, TF card, USB, auxiliary in, mic 1, mic 2. Kung mayroon kayong, aside sa 2 wireless microphone, mayroon kayong ibang microphone, dyan yung ilagay na may wire. Tapos on and off, mode, LED, kambyo ng LED. Oh. Na. Para kambyo siya. Click mo po na ako. Lahi siya. Yan. Wala siya LED. Tapos balik. Yan. Yan. Tapos dito, play, pause, preview next. So, yan siya guys. Maganda siya. Maganda siya. So, yan. So far, so good. Mas madali na siya. Kahit na saan nyo to i-drag. Indoor, outdoor, saan nyo ilagay. Madali lang siya i-ano. Kasi may ano siya. May wheels dito. May wheels. So, yan. Nag-advertise na. So far, very good.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.